Hey guys, Mad Scientist here, and today I'm doing a video on the coolest 3D printed objects ever. And so I found this website of like a top 10 list of like the coolest things printed. So I thought, and the idea for the video sort of came from high school when I had to actually 3D print, design and 3D print a toy. This isn't it. I based it off a Rubik's Cube, and I took the idea to make it into a sphere. Like, it's an interesting. I thought it was an interesting idea at the time. I still think it is, even though it already exists. So that basically, I was sort of ripping off an idea already. Not that I was aware. So let's check out some of the coolest stuff ever, like the top 10 list of 3D printed objects. So first up, we have a Local Motors 3D printed Stratty car. Okay. What? So my big question here is, like, is it like the engine, so like engine, tires, like every part of the car is 3D printed? Because if that is, that I might as well just leave. Like, it puts this idea to shame. Like, seriously, it's amazing what we can do. Like, like, well, I've heard we have like a food. There's 3D food printers. It's 3D bone and organ printers, which is just like ridiculous. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Let's move on to the next one. A 3D printed 5-story building. So I have to. Okay, is this concrete? Is it plastic? Like, I'm. I'm just reading the stuff underneath. And I'm like, oh. So, is it concrete or brick, or is it just plastic? I'm like, that's just confusing. Okay. A 3D printed ear. Nah. That is. No. Uh-uh. That, that shouldn't be possible. Although, I did just say there's organ printers, so why am I to say what's impossible and what's not? Okay, 4 and 5. A miniature drill and saw. How do you print electronics that small? Like, well, it wouldn't be that hard. I've worked with a 3D printer. Although, like, I've done parts that were small, like, but it's just like, really? Okay. Um, No. There's a 3D print smaller than an ant's forehead. No. What? It's smaller than an eye of a needle. I don't have anything to say. Now a castle? A 3D concrete castle? No. A 3D printed castle? No way. Is that possible? Like, seriously. A 3D printed llama. Oh man. Itchy eye. But no. Is that is that an actual plastic? No. Really? And now we have 3D objects print in space. No. No. What? This is just ridiculous now. I don't know if I want to do the last one and leave it for you guys to find out. I'm not showing this last one. No. No, I'm leaving you guys to check it out in your own time. I'm leaving you guys to check it out. Anyway, I'm Mad Scientist. I'm probably gonna do another video today. I don't know. I'm new to this stuff, but links to my channel, my Twitter, and my Facebook will be below. Also, a link to the website so you can check it out. Anyway, I'm the Mad Scientist. Mad Scientist out.